Okay, so when two lines are perpendicular, then their gradients are negative reciprocals. So, for example, 2x plus 3y minus 1 equals 0, and y equals 3 on 2x plus 5. So if you look at these, if you look at the first one, 2x plus 3y minus 1 equals 0, that means 3y is minus 2x plus 1. And then if you divide everything by 3, y is minus 2x on 3 plus 1/3. So what that means then is that the gradient of this is minus 2/3. The gradient of the other line is 3 on 2. So if you look at the other one, it is 3 on 2. See the 3 on 2 in front? And the gradient of this line is minus 2 on 3. So you could just state, if you wanted to prove they're perpendicular, you could just state this is M1 and this is M2. M1, M2 are negative reciprocals. Okay, so M1 and M2 are negative reciprocals. So they're negative reciprocals, and therefore they are perpendicular. You'll find that all lines that are perpendicular, their gradients are negative reciprocals. Now, if you're doing like a formal proof, to actually prove it, the easiest way to prove it is to notice that if you multiply the two gradients together, when two numbers are negative reciprocals, if you multiply them together, you actually get minus 1. For example, if you have two numbers like 5 on 6 and minus 6 on 5, if you times them together, the 5 goes into the 5 once, the 6 into the 6 once, you still got that negative, so that will equal minus 1. So basically, two lines will be perpendicular if you multiply their gradients together and you end up with minus 1. And that's the way that you write a formal proof to say that the two lines are perpendicular.